Okay, this is to help with the CodingBat seeColor question. And this one, if you weren't sure, a good trick on this is the key to this is using index of, right? So if you didn't get this, maybe think of how you could use index of, try it, and then come back to this video. Okay, so why index of works is basically there's three things that can happen. If it starts with red, we return red. If it starts with blue, we return blue. Otherwise, we return a blank string. So basically, what I would do is do basically a check to say if str.index of red. So if it starts with red, the index of red would be 0, right? So you would get that red starts at position 0. And so if it starts with red, the index of red would be 0, in which case we want to just return the string red. And then we do a very, very similar check for blue. So we could do else if str.index of blue equals 0, return blue. And if neither of those things are true, then we just return a blank string. There certainly would be other ways to do this, right? But I think this is a tailor-made one where index of makes the most sense. So if I hit go, just make sure I got it right. But index of works really well in this case. All right, hope that helps you.